So my no buy lasted no time. I was on a no buying freeze, and then I had to purchase something from Twilight Garden. And once I did, I was like, oh, maybe I can get a few more wax melts. And my son asked me for bath bombs, so maybe I get some bath bombs. So although I'm on a no buy, I got deliveries today. First one, as you can see, is from Jim's daughter. These are wax melts, and these first few are samples. Strawberry rhubarb pie, little smiley. I love smileys. I really do. They're like so retro. And if you know me from Instagram, you know I love a retro. This one's lavender patchouli. So what do we have here? Yes, I'm gonna make a mess. I love when they pack it well, but this is like, I'm sorry, it's just my least favorite because it gets everywhere. So let's see what's in here. Oh, an invoice. So I can tell you what the prices are. All right. She was having a sale, and I'm only purchasing nowadays if I see a sale. So this first one is Island Cotton Fresh, and I think what I have on my invoice is the regular pricing, not the sale. That one is $2. The next one is Boardwalk Apples, and oh, I was hoping I got the other shape, but that one's cute too. This was $2.50. These mustaches, though, come on. This one is Mr. Seacrest and Georgia Peaches and Shaving Cream. Mr. Peaches was $3, and I think I got more than one mustache, so they were all $3. These are so freaking cute. This one is called Belle. Rose Jam. Yellow layer is lemon pound cake. I love me some rose jam. I love me some lemon. So it was a winner. Yes, here's another mustache. This one is LL Bean. That's a blend of flannel and shaving cream. Did I tell you what scents these were, by the way? Oh, of course. They're actually called what the scent is. All right. Then we have, I think there's only one more, maybe. Oh, yeah, another one of these. It's Mr. Scott Calvin, again, $3. Yes, so I got 1, 2, 3 mustaches. I got, this is, I'm sorry, peppermint and shaving cream. I got the Island Cotton Fresh, Boardwalk Apples, and Belle, and then the LL Bean. So, and then she sent some generous samples here, making sure I wasn't missing any. I was digging in the bag. This is lavender patchouli and strawberry rhubarb pie. I love the smileys. All right, guys, that's it for Jim's daughter. And I will talk to you guys in a few minutes with the Sin City Soaps. I'm back with an unboxing from Sin City Soaps. Please pardon this. This was from my last unboxing, and I mentioned it was my least favorite packaging material. This is my favorite. She actually puts it in a bag so it's not flying away everywhere. Thank you very much, Sin City Soaps. What is this? What is this? What is this? What is this? I'll have to check that in a minute. Is it packed? I don't know what that is. All right. Let me open the package because I'm actually in quite a rush. Oh, look. It's so celebratory for St. Patrick's. I love them. They're always sending such cute stuff. Oh, and they added some of my least favorite stuff. But honestly, the way they package the other stuff is my favorite. I just don't like this because I end up having to vacuum and everything. I'm not very neat when I unbox. That's totally my fault. All right, so my son needed bath bombs, and so Sin City Soap is having a sale, and so, yeah, so I got him some bath bombs. He's getting 2 of these. I'm getting the other one. This is Narcissist, and it's just called Bag of Bath Bombs. 3 bath bombs in a package. What the heck is this? She knows I love me some Narcissist. She sent me some Narcissist wax melts for my little wax melt videos. And they're all different shapes. Excellent. Oh yeah, you're going to hear my cat acting a fool. This is my favorite bath bomb of hers. This is coconut water pineapple. I really love this bath bomb. It just smells amazing. The colors are amazing. The foam is amazing. The scent is amazing. Yo, cat. Coconut. His name's not Coconut. I just called him that when I wanted to be quiet. All right. Then I got a couple of these bath bombs, which are Orchid Amber and both Orchid Amber. One for my son, one for me. I got him 2 of these Tombstone bath bombs. Let me show you. So this is one of the Tombstones, and this is the other one, again, for my son. Oh, they look a little crumbly. They must have banged around in the box somehow. I don't know how she packaged it so well. Ouch. I don't know what this is. I don't know. I ordered this. It's probably just a freebie. She's so freaking generous with her little freebies. Oh, little sugar scrub samples. How cute. What's this? This is whipped soap. Oh, it stayed fluffy. Sugar scrub, apples. I don't know what that says. Apples and something. And this one says raspberry vanilla. And here's another sample. This is lemon body butter. I love it. I still have her lemon body butter still that me and my granddaughter like to use sparingly because we want to make it last. Great bubble bath. Great bubble bath. Thank you so much. And then there's a little lip balm. There's 2 lip balms in there. I have talked about her lip balms before. I do love them. I lay them on my nightstand in the middle of the night when my lips get dry because I run the fan all night long on my face because of hot flashes. I like to put some of this on right before I go to bed. And here we have another bath bomb. And I believe this is the one that I actually ordered. Look how beautiful this thing is. It's got a little fairy on it with pretty little flowers. And it is called Winter Fairy Tale Bath Bomb. I think this was like $8 on sale, I think. Whatever it was a great bargain because this thing is huge. All right. So what did we have in here? We had this bath bomb. We had this grape body wash. We have these samples here. One is a sugar scrub, one is a whip soap, and one is body butter. We have this gorgeous bath bomb here, Winter Time Fairy, I believe. We have these 2 bath bombs here, Orchid Amber, one for me, one for my son. My son does not get this one at all. It's my fave. We got 2 of these Tombstones for my son. Here's another bath bomb, which I believe was a free sample. And a bag of bombs to share with my son. And these are all mine. Narcissus is one of my favorite scents. And she gave me a whole bag full of those. All right, so back to this other thing. I'll be right back after I see what it is. First of all, here's the pricing. The Haunted Tombstones were $6 a piece. Winter Fairy Tale Bath Bomb was $8. The round bath bombs was a pack of 3 for $9. Great bargain. The coconut water and pineapple bath bomb, $9. And the Harmony bubbling bath bombs were $4.50 a piece. So now what do we have here? We have here, inside the little plastic thingy that she had with something in there, we have first a thank you. We have a card. And this is it. Thanks so much. And it's just saying thank you. She added some of her new bubble bath and grape, of course. Thank you very much. And then, what's this, Nicole? What is it? I didn't even know what it is. Whatever it is, please let me know, and then I will use it thusly because it's very pretty. I really don't know what it is, though. Is it like a polishing cloth? Anyway, that's it for Sin City Soaps. Thank you so much for your generosity, as usual. They were having a great sale, so I took advantage. Got my son upped on his bath bombs so he could leave me alone. 32-year-old man who loves a bath bomb. He loves a bath. All right, guys, that's it for Sin City Soaps. I'm sorry about this mess, but I'm in a rush. I'll talk to you guys on the next one.